Hello guys, welcome to another vlog, welcome to another video. In this video we will unbox this one, pTron HBE6 Metal Bass Earphones. So I bought it from Amazon and the product name is the pTron HBE6 wired headset, colored black, net quantity 1 unit, month and year of packaging August 2020. MRP is written here 600, so I will discuss on the MRP, that the price I bought with. So I'll discuss later on, and it's absolutely made in China product. But in Amazon, I bought it from Amazon, and in Amazon it is priced at around 249, 250, 251 sometimes. But I got it in a limited day offer. There are two colors. I got one black here, another one was red. But I bought this black one because it was cheap and it has a good review as well. 4.4 star it received from Amazon customer. So let us proceed to unbox. So there are some plastic wrapper outside the box, but I just removed it just because we are doing some kind of safety just because of the corona. So let us unbox here. So okay, you receive something like this and nothing inside the package. If you can check this, nothing inside this package. So you get something like this. I don't know what's the use of it, and no extra ear tips here. Okay, let me just push it out. Yeah. So this is the thing that you are getting. Let me untie this one as well. Yeah, so this is the ear tips, this is the earbuds. I think these are not that much heavy, but it's written that metal bass, but it's not that heavy. You can check that it's almost like 10-20 grams as well. So I will change the earbuds and I will use the smallest one, and then I will give you some kind of review. There is no metal here, there is nothing, you can see that, and the cable is almost 1 meter. Yeah, it's almost 1 meter. It's almost tangle free as well. It's written tangle free, but I don't think so that it is that kind of tangle free. Okay, you are getting this thing here. This brand name is pTron, it's written here, and there is one microphone, and there is also a switch here to receive the call or muting the song or pausing the song as well. The company claims that it's a 10 drivers, so I will just use this one, and company claims also that there is extra noise cancellation ratio in comparison to other earphones at this price range available in the market. So I'll check once, and most importantly, this is gold coated, not the silver coated, as if I can show you. Is it shown? Yeah. If I can show you, is it gold coated? And yeah, good amount of engineering is there, and you can expect a good amount of sound as well. So nothing else this product, no extra ear tips I received here. Okay, thank you so much, bye bye.